Dear students, in this video I will focus on properties of triangles. Let's start with basic concepts. Midpoint of the segment. A midpoint of a segment is the point that divides the segment into two equal segments. The midpoint is equidistant from the endpoints. In this figure, point O divides segment AB into two equal segments, that is segment OA and segment OB. Hence, point O is the midpoint of segment AB. Also, point O is equidistant from point A and point B. Bisector of line segment. Bisector means to cut or divide into two equal parts. The line that bisects the segment is called bisector of the segment. But bisector may be point, ray, line or segment. Look at this figure. Lines A, B, C are bisectors of the segment PQ. As they bisect segment PQ at point O, hence O is the midpoint too. Perpendicular bisector. The line that bisects the segment at 90 degrees is called as perpendicular bisector. Look at this figure. Line M bisects segment AB. Also it is perpendicular to segment AB at point P. Hence, line M is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Intersecting lines. Two lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines, and the point where they meet is called point of intersection. Observe this figure. Two lines P and Q are meeting at point M. Hence, M is the point of intersection of the two intersecting lines P and Q. Concurrent lines. If three or more lines intersect at a point, then lines are called as concurrent lines, and the point where they cross is called the point of concurrence. In this figure, four lines A, B, C and D are intersecting at point O. Hence, are concurrent lines, and O is the point of concurrence. Triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure having three sides. Now look at these figures. This figure is a triangle as it is a closed figure and has three sides. Now look at this figure. This is not a triangle even if it has got three sides. Why? Because it is not a closed figure. Elements of a triangle. Sides, vertices and angles are the elements of the triangle. Observe this figure. This is triangle DEF, and symbolically it is written as triangle DEF. It can be written as triangle EFD or triangle FDE. Segment DE, segment EF, segment FD are the sides of triangle DEF. This is angle D, this is angle E, and this is angle F. Points D, E, F are the vertices of the triangle DEF. Vertex is the point where two segments or two sides of triangle meet. Also, segment DE is the side opposite to angle F. Segment EF is the side opposite to angle D, and segment FD is the side opposite to angle E. Thus, a triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles. Sum of the measures of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Altitude or height of a triangle. In a triangle, a segment drawn through a vertex perpendicular to the opposite side is called the altitude or height of the triangle. Look at this figure. In triangle ABC, segment AD is drawn through vertex A and is perpendicular to segment BC, which is opposite side to vertex A. Hence, segment AD is the height or altitude of triangle ABC. Any triangle has three heights or altitudes. Now look at this figure. In triangle KLM, segment KA, segment LB and segment MC are the heights of triangle KLM and they intersect at point O. Thus, O is the point of concurrence. Thus, a triangle has three altitudes or heights and they are concurrent. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. The perpendicular line drawn through the midpoint of the sides of triangle is called the perpendicular bisector of that side. In the figure alongside, P is the midpoint of segment AB and line L is the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Look at this figure now. In all, a triangle has three perpendicular bisectors and they are concurrent. In this figure, line L, M and N are perpendicular bisectors of sides of triangle ABC and O is the point of concurrence. A triangle has three perpendicular bisectors and they are concurrent. The median. The line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is called a median of the triangle. In this triangle PQR, S is the midpoint of side QR and P is the vertex opposite to side QR. Segment PS is the median of the triangle PQR. Look at this figure. Segment PS, segment QT and segment RU are medians of triangle PQR. They intersect at point O, hence O is the point of concurrence. A triangle has three medians and they are concurrent. Angle bisectors. The line, ray or segment that divides the angle into two congruent angles is called the angle bisector of that angle. Look at the figure alongside. Ray BD divides the angle ABC into two equal angles, that is angle ABD and angle DBC. Hence, ray BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Now observe the figure alongside. In triangle XYZ, ray XA, ray YB and ray ZC are the bisectors of angles X, Y, Z respectively, and they intersect at point O. Hence, O is the point of concurrence. A triangle has three angle bisectors and they are concurrent. In short, a triangle has three altitudes, three angle bisectors and three perpendicular bisectors, and they all are concurrent.